Hi guys, today we are going to install a new Rangehood. So we are going to remove the door panel and then the top panel out to take the Rangehood out first. So there are 4 screws holding this Rangehood, the top 2 and then the bottom 2. So also the iron bar is holding the Rangehood, you will see it later. So to take the Rangehood out, you just need a 2-person in hand so that you won't make it difficult or if it falls down after. So this panel comes off easily in normal situation, but there is a power board which is holding this panel, so I couldn't really take it out, so I will take this out with the full Rangehood. So that I decided to take the 2 screws from the bottom, and now I'll take the Rangehood out from the position. So now we are going to install the Euromaid integrated Rangehood, which is the similar as the old Rangehood, so it will not be difficult to put it back. So normally if you can get the same model Rangehood, then it won't be hassle for you, because sometimes the size and the position of the Rangehood can really be a trouble in doing the installation. So before putting it back, so normally we use the gloves just to make the Rangehood clear and no stains of your hands with the Rangehood. These times we clean the Rangehood after with the alcohol wipes, so even that works. So these 2 positions can go with the iron bar, which is at the top position of the Rangehood, so this way, and the 2 screws were holding there. So normally if you are going to install it for the first time, you need to measure the position and exact positions, so that it goes there in a perfectly and fits there. So now we are going to put the air circulation stop. So just put the 4 screws, and then so this bit, there is written top and bottom on this bit, so you always put the top side bottom, so you can see up there. Now we are going to put the Rangehood back to its positions. So as you can see, this is little bit tough, so normally we can like use two people if you are doing it for the first time. So before putting the screws and everything, just check if it is working fine. So I test the speed of the motor and the function of the ear, and then the light. So now if everything is okay, you can just put the screw back into the same position, or if you are installing for the first time, you can always choose your spot, and there will always be some prefer screws hole, so you can use that hole to put the screws. So check if the filter is tight enough or not, and then put 2 screws at the top where you took it out at the beginning. So I put in the exact position where it was before. And one more thing, if you are installing in a wall position, there will be some stains at the top, as you can see. So these things you can always clean it after taking out the rangehood, but we forgot to do that, so we do it after. So there is a space for the wire, so just manage it properly so that your top panel goes perfectly and there will be no problem on closing the door. Yeah. Now we clean the stuff from the top.
You got one can of coke? No, that's okay.
So this part is just the cleaning part, and then put all the stuff back to its position and align the wires and other stuff so that it goes in perfectly and there won't be any problem in closing the door. So just clip it to close the door. Yeah. So this is the other door was touching little bit, so I screwed it up to put it in its position. So now there you can see the gap, perfect gap, so that it's not touching the other door. So this video is just putting the old one into the cartoon. So this is how you can install the Rangehood. It's not that difficult. If you are going to install the same model Rangehood, you can always have another person just to hold the Rangehood for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe us.